Alright guys, welcome to another fun, exciting unboxing. This time with more enthusiasm because I heard your feedback from my previous unboxings. So here it is. It's something I've been wanting to get. I didn't think I'd get it quite this soon, but the Weebill S. Just for the new Sony that I bought, the Sony ZV-E10. So a lot of people complaining about the stabilization cropping too much in there. So I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to use electronic stabilization. I'm just going to get a gimbal. So here we go. This is going to be fun. So exciting. Gimbals. Oh, they're so amazingly exciting. I'm going to try to contain myself. It's going to be difficult. Here we go. The Weebill S. Boy, hope you guys can tell. I'm pretty excited about this one. Alright, so I've been wanting to get this gimbal. I was looking at it and the Ronin SC. Reading a lot of the reviews, watching a lot of reviews there on YouTube. I decided, you know what, the Weebill S is probably a better deal for me, more what I want, more features I want, and better price for me. However, as with everything else, living in Europe, it was going to be difficult to get. Amazon US wouldn't ship it to me because of the battery. Nice little foam packaging here. And Amazon France, for the same numerical number of US dollars, they wanted euro. So once again, after the conversion, we're talking over 100 US dollars more to get it from Amazon France and having to pay VAT. So randomly enough, I was at the little Carrefour on base and the little electronics section in there, walking in there, and they had one Weebill S on the shelf for cheaper than the amount of euro on Amazon France, and shopping there, I get VAT free with my NATO ID. It was like a sign, guys. Can't deny it. Can't deny it. So, wasn't planning on buying this for a while, but it was an opportunity. Of all the things, all the random things for them to have at that shop, a camera gimbal. And not only that, the exact one I want. You know, most of the time people go in there and they buy things like posters or cell phone chargers or a camera gimbal? No kidding. A legit Weebill S. I hope you guys can get a good look at this thing. It is amazing. One thing I love about this, that I was reading the reviews, is the fact that you can lock it. You know, so when you get ready to, you know, walk around and you're not trying to film, you can just lock these and they won't be swinging around everywhere like some other gimbals might, right? It's nice, portable. Also, the handle that serves as, you know, a tripod, I can put on the bottom, or, you know, throw it up here, and I got underslung mode. You know, it's amazing. I mean, it's simply beautiful, beautiful piece. So, in this box, this is the very basic Weebill S. It's got a whole sheet of accessories that are available for this system, and I love it. It's absolutely beautiful. So, back to the unboxing, which is technically what this video is, right? So, got the base gimbal unit. It is simply amazing. Oh, and I'm using the product feature there on my Sony ZV-E10, and it's working like a charm, going from me to the gimbal back to me. I love this. Technology is amazing. All right, so a little plate. And the slide. It's pretty nice. Got, you know, some fine adjustments there. Okay. Let's see what else we got. The battery holder with the two batteries. This is why Amazon US wouldn't ship it to me, because of these. Let's see what else we got in here. All right. we got some cords here. So this looks like a USB-C to a micro USB. This is a USB-C. This is a mini USB, micro USB. And this is micro USB to a multi USB. Oh, and one more, micro USB to micro USB. And this is with there's a couple of these, which is nice. They're basically 90-degree plugs. So, see that? And then you've got some screws. So, yeah, this is amazing, guys. Rechargeable batteries. Here's where you can plug it in. So beautiful. So guys, that is basically the unboxing of the Weebill S. So I try not to get too excited, maintain my excitement, but wow, I'm excited about this one. I can't wait. So you know what? Now that I've unpacked this, I can set it up, and next time I do one of these, I can set this on here with a little tripod leg, and it'll like keep steady on me, not be shaking around like it's doing right now. So until the next time, guys, hope you like it. But this is just to show you what you get in the box, how it comes packaged. So if you like it, subscribe, leave me comments. I'm reading all of them. Yep, I read all of them just then. So leave some comments, subscribe, let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.